Good morning. We have a busy schedule today. That's why I decided to do a little vlogging, and my sore throat came back. So I don't know. I'll maybe just start commenting on this first part of the video, but later on do a silent recording. But I don't know. We'll see. So yun, excited na napapagod agad for this day.
Ay, kala mo! Ito, di ba itong platinum? Ayan sila po, platinum. Karaoke. Ay, ayan ang platinum. Ayan ang platinum. Singer lang. Eh, hindi ko nakikita. Kamusta naman yung singer natin ngayon? Kung i-rate yung singer natin, paano i-rate yung singer? Out of 10, 11. Luma lang yung kanta, pero makaka-relate din tayo someday. Ikaw, paano mo ma-rate yung singer natin? 10 over 10 kasi boss natin siya. Ito po yung kasama niya. Ito yung kanan niya, ka-age gap niya. Kasi, alam niyo yung kanta eh. Hindi mo alam yun? Yung mabubunot dito, wala na. Tanggal na.
Kakainis naman yan.
Ay, grabe! Yung mabubunot tanggal. Kasi yung pinakauli. Dapat yung nakalala sa game.
Dapat yung pinaka-umpisa yung tanggal eh. Dapat yung pinaka-una yung tanggal eh.
Oy, balik mo! Gitna mo! Gitna mo! Ano? Gitna mo!
Teka, wala may alam doon. Tapos ako na.
Parang dapat yun. Parang yung bahay. Lutuin na lang natin kaya. Paano ba ito? Bakit magpindot? Gitna. Tanggal na. Dito Miss Lori, pintot. Wala niyo pa si Setting ko lang. Wala po.
I've lived
Kabatsin.
a life that's cool. I've traveled each and every highway, but more, much more than this. I need regrets. I've had a few, but then again, you
Church, and I'm not really feeling well, but I still can manage. And here's the gifts I got from work, and I'm feeling really feeling the Christmas spirit right now, Char.